a disclaimer. Me not video nobody but myself. Big up everyone else.
Flight attendants, boarding is complete. Ladies and gentlemen, we are now ready to depart. In preparation for pushback, please check to see that your seatbelts are securely fastened, your window shades are open, those tray tables are in their full upright position, all carry-on items are stowed beneath the seat in front of you or in an overhead bin. At this time, please discontinue the use of all portable electronic devices. This is flight 270
the camera now do the pilot.
Florida.
I mean, I like when you're trying
we should be closing the forward boarding door momentarily.
And my name can't change, I'm just come on the plane. Deep Road Stevie, real Road Stevie, I fly out. You are going to make on see say thing real. Yeah. Spirit delay for about 9 days. And right now, I look like them want to pull out early. Big up on yourself, see? So subscribe, like and share to the channel. Build up the Rastaman panel. Because right now, England, Jamaica, Canada, and US, I watch me the most. So I don't have Bahamas and Trinidad and them. The place down in Africa I want to know. Big up NGB down in Ghana. The Ghana King, big up yourself, see? Bubbles, big up yourself out in New York and Florida there right now. Cat, big up yourself. I'm flying right now. I have a peanut, I have some herbs, and I have a half pound of grabber. Guarantee. I have some scanning gum. Bless up on yourself, no one else. See their spirit. Spirit, I lock it down so I get ready. More life from now, yeah.